Welcome back, guys, to QBSYLUHV channel. Today we'll talk about a LUT AGLD token NFT project. Should we buy this coin or not? Only technical analysis. Let's dive in. Alright guys, so let's start with my post on trading UID on November 27 after FTX crash. I'm expected that time one more dump, but we didn't see this dump and we breaking out this downtrend line. In our market, we have to come back at least close this week. It's a daily time frame. 50% of this week, we every single time come back and close. And here's my target was 23rd level. It's 64 cents. And here is how it play out. So here, every single time when you post an idea on TradingView, it's hard to say about the timing, but the zones every single time relevant. So here we touch and reject at this level, drop it down to 0 level, and now the road to our middle term sellers target. So it's around $1.04. That's why I highly recommend you follow me on TradingView, because there I share my ideas faster than on YouTube. It's hard to say something about the fundamental of this coin, and because I didn't dive in so much for this coin, for me, it's just a speculation. It's not my investments or something. So you can go and double check on information if you want. So what I can say, it's a total supply, 70 millions. And all coins in circulation supply. Zero information about maximum supply, but if all coins in circulation supply, it's easy, can hit 70 million, for example. So now it's market cap 41. It's pretty low market cap. And to hit $1 or 2 or 5, it's more than real, That's why. Now we go and check monthly time frame. What we got here? We trade under 27 zone. We don't see any gaps here, so this chart pretty clean. On a weekly time frame, first resistance zone. What we can touch here, this gap on a weekly time frame. There, after this gap, all zones is tradable. So the first massive resistance zone will be here at $1. Between $1.01 psychological price and $1.06. With the weak candle, I think we will touch $1.10. So it will be the first resistance zone. And also you can see how this coin trade. No gaps. So every single time this coin come back and close every single gaps on a weekly time frame. So it's a good sign. So we can grow insanely if the big players want to pump and dump this coin. Because I didn't dive in fundamental of this coin. So basically just on technical analysis, we don't have to come back to these zones once again. So no reason, all zones is closed. So here's will be the first resistance zone, and then we can walk from level to level. Then $2 more than achievable price target, it's 0 level. And then we can at least close 50% of this week. Candle, it will be exactly 0.5 level by FIB. So it's $4.54. And it's more than real to hit this target because the market cap will be still pretty low. So this is a maximum what I'm expect of this coin in this year, or maybe even next year. Because I don't know, are they still working on this project or not? So technically 0.5 level by FIB, it's more than real to achieve this price target this year or next one. So from this current price, what do we get now from zone 27 zone, it's around 600%. So it's not something special, for altcoin, It's hard to say about the next all-time high. So just base it on technical analysis, it's $10 or $15. We don't know. So it's up to you invest in this coin or just to trade. I'm just to trade this coin. I don't like so much NFT projects. So now we go and check what indicator shows. So here, ADZ and direction here on the weekly time frame. We still didn't touch the top, so it's a great signal. On a monthly time frame, we don't have enough data on QBSYLUHV direction. Now for middle term, I'm looking only monthly and weekly time frames. So on a daily, we can be overbought, but didn't see the signals to sell. So we got a lot of signals to buy and accumulate, but didn't see signals to sell. So we can close QBSYLUHV direction. ADZ. Here, what we can see on the chart, we got a first divergence on a daily time frame. Here, we going down, we going up from 33 cents till 81 cents. We got a huge divergence on a daily time frame. But on a weekly time frame, like you always know, we have to forming 3 waves down on the weekly time frame. On money power on weekly time frame, we are at the top, and on the monthly time frame, we just start climbing to the middle line. So we have a lot of room for growth. And that's why you always have to double check the higher time frame for middle term, not for intraday trades. So that's why we can trade long time period in this zone until we hit the top on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, on the market mode indicator, during all this time period, the big players sell this coin. And on the weekly time frame, here in this zone, since August till January 2023, the big players accumulate. It was a perfect time to accumulate this coin for swing trade and for position trades. Now we're still in good condition. It's called blue color. It's still okay to accumulate this coin because we have a lot room for growth till our targets. It's $4 minimal, and trust me, a lot of people can jump into this coin at $3, at $4 because they start waiting the new all-time high, $10 psychological price, but it can be the trap. So we still will be in the downtrend. It's market mode. What we can see next, it's take profit and trade on. So on trade on indicator, we got on the weekly time frame 2 signals to buy. First signal to buy was at $1.47. Then we get a pump to $2.34. Second touch, we got exactly at 18 level by FIB here at 77 cents. From 77 cents, we are pumped almost 200%. So it's play out. Now we don't see signals to buy on a weekly time frame, on a monthly also. And the last indicator is take profit. So we drop under fundamental price in May, bounce 100%. Next one, drop under fundamental price, bounce 159%. And here we touch the buy line, and now we over then exit line. So we got from buy line, we got almost 300%. But if we go to weekly time frame, unfortunately, we don't have enough data for this coin on a weekly time frame for this indicator. So guys, it was just my personal idea about this coin, and this target still relevant. And it's only up to you. Invest in this coin for a long run or not. Just to be honest, I'm not investing in this coin. I am maybe just speculate some part of my money because I don't like NFT projects, and target I already showed you, and everything what my indicator shows I already showed you in this video. Guys, I hope you like this video about IGLD token. Write this comment, what is your price target by end of this year for this coin? Do you hold this coin or you passed? And if you want to trade with my custom indicator set 6-in-1 only for $1 per day, just write me DM, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.